Alright guys, it is that time of year again. The sweet corn right behind me right there. It has just become ripe and the coons have already found it. So today I'm going to be doing some trapping, pest control trapping for the raccoons. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what we're going to be dealing with right here. So the coons are coming from over there. There's a creek and it runs all the way right here, and they're just following this creek coming here. And you can see there's some light coon trails right there. They're not very packed down because the coons have just found this corn and started eating it. So they're coming out of here and going straight to the sweet corn. There's probably about 3 more trails that come along this creek and come out to the sweet corn. So I'm just going to be showing you my favorite way to get rid of these coons, and that is with a dog-proof raccoon trap right here. These are probably one of the best raccoon traps there is out there. They're definitely my favorite, very effective trap. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how I'm going to set these real quick. So right here, you probably, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's a coon trail right here. And I got my Duke dog proof right here. And these traps work best if you have them right on the trail, right where the coon's going to be traveling every time. So I just use these rebar stakes I make right here. We're just going to pound it right into the ground. So if you don't know how these traps work, the coon sticks his foot in here, and there's a trigger right here, and then when he pulls it up like that, it sets it off right here, and the springs close on him and he got his foot. So here's how you set it. Just squeeze it down like that, grab the trigger right there, and then set it right in the notch. So it looks just like that right there. And then what you want to do is just stick it right in the center of the trail. So the coon is going to be running right on the trail. He's going to run right into it, and he's not going to miss this trap. He's going to see the bait and smell it. And the bait I'm using right here is marshmallows, cat food, and some field corn. You can just use cat food, it doesn't really matter. Just anything that has some sort of smell, I guess. So you're just going to put it right down in there. Fill it near to the top. Make sure to spill a tiny bit on the ground because that's what he's going to see first. And that's about it. That's all you got to do. Very simple, easy set to make, and it's very effective. So what I'm going to do is set one trap on each of the trails. I got one trap there on one trail. I'm just going to set one trap on each of the trails. And then in here, I think I'm going to set some more traps, because you can see the coons are getting in here, knocking down all the corn. You can see they just gnaw it all off right here. Whole bunch of good ears just laying on the ground all eaten up. So I'm going to try to set some traps where there's damage, because we know the coons are coming right in here and eating. And I forgot to mention this earlier, but we also have this electric wire right here. It's about hand high off the ground, so the coons will hit it. It's not on right now, but it's not working out. The coons, they can come here whenever and they don't care. They can just jump over it or go under because they figure it out pretty quickly. So that's going to be it for today. I'm probably going to be seeing you guys tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have some coons then. Alright, it's the next day. I'm out here checking the traps. Surprisingly, we didn't get anything along the trails by the creek, but I did set some traps here. We got 2 coons right here. I set probably 10 traps along this trail. 2 nice ones right there. And over here, we got a skunk in a dog-proof trap right there. I don't know what I'm going to do with him. Really do not want him to spray everywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and dispatch these 2 coons, get them out of here, and then we'll go ahead and deal with the skunk over there. So the plan right now is I've got my .177 caliber pellet gun, and I'm going to try to shoot the skunk in the heart. I've heard that kind of works to eliminate some of the spray. So we're going to try it anyways. That's about the only idea I got right now, so here we go. I'm about 20 yards away from the skunk right now. I'm trying to get a good heart shot on him here. Alright, here we go. I don't even think I hit him. I'm going to let him sit there for a while. I might have hit his heart. I know it went straight through if it did. Come on, stay still. Okay, that hit him. That was a good hit. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. He didn't spray, I think. Just gonna give him a little bit. He's definitely slowing down. Alright, I'm gonna give him another one. I don't know, we probably didn't get it in the heart and lungs. Wait for him to stop moving for a second. Alright, here we go. Nope. Alright. There we go. That was a good hit. I'm going to give him a little bit. I think he's down. I'm just going to give him about 30 seconds just to make sure. We'll go over there and check him out. Alright, I give the skunk a little bit of time. Yeah, he's definitely dead. I do not smell any spray. Yep, he's dead. Look at that. That is how you kill a skunk without it spraying right there. I think that's the first time I've ever done that. Check out these shots I put on him. I think I shot him 3 times. One, put him right there. One right there. And then one went a little far back right there. Still, all of them I think in the lungs. That one probably got in the liver. But it worked out perfectly. I do not smell any spray at all. So here's our catches today. One pretty average sized coon, kind of small, one really small coon, and the skunk right here. For the coons, I just use a 22 pellet gun, and for the skunk, I use the 177 caliber pellet gun. If you're going to do this, make sure to not use a 22, because I've tried it before and they just spray everywhere. And definitely never shoot them in the head, because that never works either. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. Make sure to subscribe for more trapping videos, and I will see you in the next one.